because I had some doubt like how the session will be, how it is going to help me, because I work for an organization, because it's like we develop software products, and it's enterprise products, and we already follow some agile methodologies, like because it is like following the Scrum, and we just uses Rally software tools for that. I was thinking how these sessions are going to help me. But the one thing I felt like is the sessions were packed in such a way that it lasts in 20 minutes. You won't get bored, okay? Every 30 minutes I can go to the next session. And the first two sessions, the first one I really enjoyed. It was fun. But the second session, the topic was a bit vast, okay? And they were trying to cover it in 20 minutes.
And who was the speaker?
I think it's Mohan. Because it was good. But the thing is like whether the content is able to reach the recipients. Because in 20 minutes, it has to be, the content has to be smart enough for any speaker, right? The content has to be too good that the participant should get a feeling like they have to think more once they come out of it, right? Because they have to get something out of whatever happened in the last 20 minutes. I think because it just started, right? I feel like it will be better going forward.